In this video, we unbox, mount and basic configure the FortiGate 120G firewall step by step. Watch as we open the box, check all included accessories, and take a close look at the powerful FortiGate 120G device. We're unboxing the FortiGate 120G firewall and taking a detailed look at everything included inside the box. From the main firewall device to the console cable, power cable, Ethernet cable, rack mount kit, and documentation. We then move on to rack mounting the firewall in a server environment and power it up for the first time. The FortiGate 120G firewall includes console, management/hop ports, 16x GERJ45, 4x10 SFP+, and 8x SFP ports for flexible and high-speed connectivity. Connect your laptop to the FortiGate 120G via the management port. In this demo, the FortiGate IP is 192.168.1.99 and the laptop is 192.168.1.98 out of 24, enabling direct GUI access through a browser, the first step in configuring your FortiGate for security and management. Factory default IP is 192.168.1.99 out of 24. If your computer's Ethernet shows 169.254.x.x, or anything outside 192.168.1. X, open ncpa.cpl, right-click the Ethernet interface, select Properties, and set the IP to 1.98. Ping the firewall management IP to check reachability. Open a browser, navigate to Management IP, and enter the default username admin with no password. FortiGate should provide a prompt to update the default password. Set a new password for admin user. Log in with new admin user into FortiGate Firewall. Now start the initial configuration, click Begin. If you migrate config from old device you can, but in this video we have new configuration, so click later for the next step. If you want to automatic firewall firmware update you can, but I have selected disable option because I want to update manually. Acknowledge the disable patch update. Dashboard setup I have configure it later. Our initial configuration done. Finally, you can view your FortiGate 120G firewall dashboard status. System information panel of a FortiGate 120G firewall. It displays key details such as hostname, serial number, firmware version, mode, system time, uptime, and WAN IP status. In FortiGate dashboard you can show CPU, memory and sessions current usage in multiple time frame like 1 minute and also add more option to add dashboard for monitoring. Go to System then Settings option for configure basic setting like hostname, time, date and other. Under System Time option we need to set firewall time zone based on zone. Also you can configure NTP server if you have that type information. Now set hostname for the FortiGate 120G, set your convenient name for hostname as like shown in this video. In administration setting have port and redirect option for 80 to 443 you can custom default port. In system operation settings option you can show and configure your firewall which type of deploy, default feature is NGFW mode profile based. If required Vim option enable you can enable from here. Click save and OK for save configure. Now we have configure more user for network administrator, go to System then Administrators. In the Admin Profiles tab, you can see the default admin and super admin profiles already created. If required, you can create a custom profile for your users. Create a new user, select local user then set username and set password and select the administrator profile. If require allow two-factor authentication you can. Save for create a new user for firewall management. Now I have created a software switch for LAN zone with port load balancing, go to System then Network then Interface and select Create New. In this lab, physical interface members 15 and 16 are using for software switch. Select Create New, then Interface. Set a name like inside LAN, set alias if required. For type, select Software Switch. In Interface Members option, select the interfaces 15 and 16. Select OK. You are able to see new software switch interface in Firewall Interface option. Now create a LAN with VLAN. For that, go to Create New and select Interface. Set a name for LAN Zone Logical Interface. In my lab, set name LAN 48, and set the VLAN ID 48 for this LAN. Then select the interface as a soft switch name which are created as internal LAN. Set role as LAN. Set LAN IP with subnet mask manually for VLAN 48. Set administrative access allow HTTPS, ping and SSH, if required any more option for managed firewall you can on. Click OK for save. You can show newly created LAN under the software switch interface as shown in this video. Create a Wi-Fi network in the FortiOS GUI where a user is creating a new VLAN interface named Wi-Fi 50 assigned to the internal LAN physical port with a VLAN ID of 50. The interface is configured with a manual IP address of 192.168.250.1 out of 23, and the system is automatically creating a matching address object for the 192.168.250.0 out of 23 subnet. Under the Administrative Access section, the user has enabled HTTPS, SSH, and ping to allow secure management and connectivity testing for this specific network segment and enable DHCP pool for Wi-Fi access. Set DHCP address range as your requirement, set netmask and set gateway as same as interface. Set DNS 8.8.8.8 and set lease time as your requirement, OK for save configure. You can show under soft switch LAN and Wi-Fi 2 sub-interface with details. In reference option you can show this interface are used with other location. Go to check objective address and address group for policy and objects then address. You'll show the address list which are create automatically, some default and you also create a network object here. We have create LAN and Wi-Fi sub-interface, so automatically added those address in the address tab as a object. Go TP policy and policy for create a policy for NAT Wi-Fi to Internet. The policy named Wi-Fi to Internet is configured to allow traffic from Wi-Fi VLAN 50 to reach the WAN interface with the action set to accept. A security profile can be added here to enforce features like antivirus, web filtering, or application control, ensuring safer browsing for users. Additionally, enabling NAT, network address translation, on the outgoing interface will mask internal IPs with the WAN address, providing both connectivity and an extra layer of security. A security profile can be added here to enforce features like antivirus, web filtering, or application control, ensuring safer browsing for users. After that, log set all session and click OK for same configuration. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials.